Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdullah. Today, in our series of prophetic stories, the story we're going to talk about is that of Prophet Nuh alayhi salam. Long, long ago, there lived a pious prophet of Allah named Nuh alayhi salam. Nuh used to call his people to worship Allah alone, without any partner. At that time, corruption had spread across the earth, and people had started worshipping idols instead of Allah. Prophet Nuh cared a lot about his people and did not want them to be punished. He said to them, O my people, worship Allah. You have no God but He. But his people did not listen to him. Prophet Nuh called them to Allah's path in a kind and gentle manner for many years, but only a handful of people believed in him. The rest displayed arrogance. Allah commanded Nuh alayhi salam to construct a huge ark, expecting a huge flood. Prophet Nuh alayhi salam started constructing the ark. The people laughed at him. It was a huge ark and had 3 stories. The inside and outside were painted in tar, and its bow was curved so that it could easily sail in the water. When the vessel was ready, Nuh alayhi salam asked all the believers to go on board in the name of Allah. Bismillah. Allah told Nuh alayhi salam to bring along a male and a female from every living species. All sorts of animals and birds climbed aboard this magnificent ark. The bottom deck was filled with animals, lions and tigers, cats and dogs, horses and camels, even the little ones like the rabbits and squirrels. The top deck was packed with birds of all sizes, eagles and sparrows, doves and crows, even the majestic peacocks. Nuh alayhi salam and the believers had boarded the middle deck. Allah then commanded the earth to gush forth water from everywhere, and the sky to bring down the rain. Even the oceans overflowed. More and more water came until the valleys were filled, the trees were covered, and the hills sank out of sight. Soon the ark was sailing upon waves like mountains. Allah kept it under His protection and safety. All those who did not board the ark drowned in the mighty flood. When none of the arrogant people were left, Allah commanded the earth to swallow up the water and commanded the heaven to cease raining. The ark finally came to the rest on Mount Judi, which is situated in a land now known as Turkey. In this way, Allah kept the believers safe from harm. Allah made the flood and ark of Nuh alayhi salam as a sign and warning for the generations to come. On his deathbed, the final advice the Prophet Nuh alayhi salam gave to his children was to worship Allah alone and not to be arrogant.